Ever woken up to a big, angry whitehead right before an important day? You know the one. It's sitting there, taunting you, begging to be popped. Should chuckle. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. Popping it the wrong way can turn a tiny problem into a week-long nightmare of redness, scarring, and even more breakouts. Today, I'm walking you through the exact science-backed method professionals use to extract whiteheads safely, effectively, and without causing damage. By the way, there's a free skincare course I recommend. It teaches advanced ways to keep your skin clear and glowing, covering everything from prevention to proper extraction techniques. I'll link it below for you. So, what exactly is a whitehead? It's not just a surface bump. It's a clogged pore filled with trapped sebum, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Unlike blackheads, whiteheads are closed, sealed under a thin layer of skin. That's why squeezing them randomly can push bacteria deeper, causing inflammation or even cystic acne. Here's the golden rule. Never pop a whitehead that isn't ready. If it's red, painful, or deep under the skin, leave it alone. Forcing it only causes trauma, broken capillaries, and dark marks that can last for months. But if it has a visible white or yellow head and feels soft to the touch, it's time to prep properly. First, cleanse your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove any surface oils and bacteria. Then, take a clean washcloth soaked in warm water and press it gently over the whitehead for 2 to 3 minutes. This softens the skin and brings the plug closer to the surface. Next comes the extraction, and hygiene is non-negotiable. Sanitize your extraction tool with 70% rubbing alcohol. If you're using your fingers, wrap them in clean tissues. Never bare hands. Position the tool or your fingers beside the whitehead, not on top. Apply slow, gentle. 2 light attempts. Stop. It's not ready. Forcing it is where the real damage happens. Once it's out, immediately apply a tiny dab of salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide directly onto the spot to kill lingering bacteria and keep the pore clear. Then glide an ice roller or a cold compress over the area for 30 seconds. This constricts blood vessels, reduces swelling, and prevents redness from spreading. Now here's where most people mess up. They stop there, but your skin is vulnerable after extraction. You need to soothe and seal. Use a calming toner with ingredients like Centella asiatica or heartleaf to reduce irritation. Then follow with a lightweight gel moisturizer to restore hydration. And if you're serious about long-term clear skin, that free skincare course I mentioned earlier dives deep into post-extraction care and how to prevent whiteheads from forming in the first place. What about prevention? Whiteheads thrive on excess oil, dead skin buildup, and clogged pores. That means your daily routine matters just as much as extraction. Use a gentle BHA exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week to keep pores clear. Avoid heavy pore clogging products. And always wear SPF, because sun damage weakens your skin barrier and makes breakouts worse. Here's the bottom line. Extraction isn't the enemy. Poor technique is. When done correctly, it brings instant relief and prevents bigger problems. But the real power is in prevention, consistency, and respecting your skin's natural healing process. If you want to learn the complete system for acne-free skin, from cleansing to treatment to long-term prevention, check out that free skincare course in the description. It's packed with strategies that actually work. Your skin deserves care, not chaos. Treat it right, and it'll show up for you every single day.